Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise fast ice production and portability, but they differ in the type of ice they produce and their design features. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Electactic Ice Maker is priced at $89.99, while the OLIXIS Nugget Ice Maker is more affordable at $69.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. The type of ice produced is another key factor. The Electactic Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly. On the other hand, the OLIXIS Nugget Ice Maker produces nugget ice, known for its chewable texture and ability to keep drinks colder for longer. Depending on your preference, this could be a deciding factor. Both ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning functions and are designed for portability, making them suitable for home use, camping, or RV trips. This feature adds convenience, as you won't have to worry about the hassle of cleaning after use. However, the Electactic is slightly larger, while the OLIXIS is more compact, which may affect your choice based on space availability. In conclusion, both the Electactic and OLIXIS ice makers offer excellent features for fast ice production. Your choice will ultimately depend on your ice preference and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.